So someone is asking to show how I did it. How did I make the crochet the hair? So this is the hair. This is hair. This is the hair, strand of hair. This is the brand of hair. This is two. This is the brand of hair. And this is the, it comes like this in a bundle. So I just took a strand of the hair like this. I just took a strand of the hair. And then I knotted. I'm making a knot. Yeah, just make a knot. Like you make a knot and then you just put the crochet hook in it. You just put the crochet hook in it. Like that. And then you hold this piece and then you crochet it like you're crocheting yarn. Of course, it wouldn't come out while I'm doing a video. It wouldn't come out, but the most important thing is you understand the concept. So we're making a knot, okay? Like this, we're making a knot. Then you take the needle, you hold this part, right? You hold this part, just like you're crocheting yarn. This is a hook, and then you hook it. One, see, two, see, three. Come on. Come on, we're doing a video. Come on, let's go. Of course, it want to get stuck while I'm doing a video. So we just go back, we go back. Three, not too much tension. Four, with peace and ease. And you just pull it through. You just pull it. If it's too tight, you just pull it. Pull it nice and slow. With ease, you know, not too much tension. Because it's energy, you know. It's probably saying, you can't pull on me. You can't pull on me. See? Easy, nice and easy, nice and slow. And we just crochet it. It's just like yarn. You crochet it and look at the finished product like that. So that's how I did it. I took a piece of hair and I'm crocheting it. Crochet. Crochet. Then we just go, keep going. You can make it as long as you want it to be. But of course this hair is, I believe this hair is 14 inches. So 14 inches, once you crochet it, you know, I'm gonna go fast just a little bit so you can see what 14 inches, ooh, 14 inches gets you. And you could cut it, could do whatever you wanna do to like seal it, you know? And then I'm doing a stitch where you knot it. And basically it looks like this. Crochet. And then you just take, so it's just like this. That's it. And then you just take something, see, you see how this is straight? The tighter you do it, then it'll curl. But because I did it so loose, it's just straight down. And then you can flat iron it, because it's hair. You can flat iron it, you can put heat on it, depending on what type of hair it is. And yeah, just like this. And that's how I crochet the hair. You can sew this onto fabric, or you can make the earrings like I did. All right, thank you.